Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. Few MNCs asking you to fill up the past experience details in the OMR sheet. They want to do the verification without manpower involving in your verification process. So which means manpower will not check. A person will not be assigned to do the verification. They will not call your previous organization. You need to fill up the past organization name in the list one by one, and then you need to select the date in the OMR sheet 0 or 03, something like that. If they mentioned MMDDYYY, you need to mention 04 05 2025 something. Okay. System will generate your report. They will upload the OMR sheet in the system. An application will verify your OMR details information, whatever you captured in the sheet. That information will be compared with PF account and then will generate the report. The reason behind that, some people are giving the different experience in the resume, but in the PF account will reflect different experience, because hiding the experience and hiding the absconded experience. Because of that, many candidates are getting the termination letters and then they are failing to load the people to customer site. Okay. End of the day, if they failed to load the resources or sending the resources to customer site, allocating resources to customer project, they will get the loss in the billing process, and in the profit they will get less amount. To avoid these issues, they want to compare your past experience with your PF account. Okay. So please be clear when they request you to fill up the details in the OMR sheet. Okay. Please subscribe this video and share this wonderful information to your friends. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.